So I ride a rigid single speed mountain bike, and it's great, but man, do we have a lot of rocks around here. So I decided to buy a full suspension mountain bike and see what it's like. So I went down to my local bike shop. I was looking at the full suspension mountain bikes, and they went from $2,800 up. So I went to Bikes Direct, where I got my Gravity Deadeye, my $350 rigid bike that I've been riding for well over a year, and it's been awesome. So I thought, well, why not try that with a full suspension mountain bike? So that's what we're doing today. Let's go. So this is the Motobecon HAL 5 Trail, 50 centimeters. It's a large. It comes in matte gray and it's 1. The wheels do not ship with air in them. Okay, the first thing that's kind of annoying is that this brake, you have to have this Shimano gear thing. And I had this because I had to install a Lunicycle piece. And we're gonna get rid of that. Don't need that. So I already had this because I had to install a BBS02, but if you don't have that, you're gonna have to go find a part. You just can't use a hex wrench to put it in. It's kind of annoying. I think it goes like this. Yeah, I think that's right set up. This was $852, I think, out the door. And it looks cool. I definitely couldn't get this in town. Full suspension starts at about $1850 at my local shops. So this is something that I would not be able to do at this price point anywhere else. So I still need to put goop in the inner tubes. I still need to tighten everything down, and I probably need to adjust the front and rear brakes, and also check the rear derailleur and the front derailleur, make sure they're good. But once that's all done, then I'll take it for a spin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.